Hi, Darlene Messiano at Remax Titanium here in beautiful sunny Florida. Wanted to share this gorgeous listing that we have here in a neighborhood called Legacy in Leesburg. It's just right outside of Claremont and it's right near the turnpike. You have lots and lots of things to do over here. This is a 55 and plus neighborhood of Legacy, Leesburg of Legacy. This house has 3-car garage and the amenities are really, really nice in this neighborhood. It's about 2,600 square feet, and I'm going to show you it's a 3-bedroom plus a den, but it's technically a 4-bedroom. And it's the Sterling model, which is the nicest model in this neighborhood. So as you can see, this is all screened in. So you can sit out on your front porch. It's all covered and read a book and chill out. It's all screened in for you and covered. And as you enter the home, you have really high ceilings here. These are wood floors, and then you also have tile, and then you have carpet in the bedrooms. But this is a split bedroom plan. So what we'll do is, this is your formal dining room here, and you have this shelf, and then this goes off to the kitchen. And before we head over to the kitchen, take note that you have the electrical outlet in the floor for your end tables. We're gonna head over to the primary suite with a double door entry, and it's an extra large suite where you can have a sitting room over there. You can go out to your back patio through those doors. Lots of great light gets into the home too. This home is immaculate and very well taken care of. And then over here, you have a safe room. It's FDA approved and FEMA approved, and it's all safe. So if there's any kind of situations, you have a safe room there as one of the closets. And then you also have the other closet. What's nice about this primary bathroom is that you have your 2 sinks, one on each side, and you have a nice large step-in shower that's all been recorked and nice and beautiful. And then you also have the separate commode with a door, which is always nice. You do have attic space also. And we'll go to this side of the house, the split bedroom plan. You'll pass their dining room, formal dining room, and over here is an extra large laundry room. The washer and dryer do convey. You have a lot of built-in shelving in here. You also have a utility sink. This is like the largest laundry room I've seen in a long time. Plus you have the sun dome up top. You have one, I think, in the kitchen also. Brings in a lot of nice sunlight. Okay, here's the 3-car garage, which is a dream if you like workshops, because all of this conveys with the home. You have your outside refrigerator, you have all of this that conveys with the home, the shelving and the cabinets. So this is a 3-car garage, which is really nice in this neighborhood. Nice and high too, really high. The doors are really high. Take note of all the doors. Okay, now as we come over here, this is one of the bedrooms are over here with a nice sized closet. And then this is the other bedroom. And take note of how high the ceilings are with the hi-hats in the hallway. And then we also have the other bathroom. Bathroom number 2. And then this was like your TV room / den, but this can also be used as a bedroom since it does have windows and doors. can use it as a guest room, TV room, whatever you'd like to use it as. And it has nice Berber carpet. And then it comes over here to the kitchen area, so you do have an eat-in kitchen. And then here you have a built-in bar area with a cooler, and you have granite with lots of countertop space. You have double sinks, you have onyx appliances, and you do have a gas stove, which is always so nice. Okay, now we're gonna come over here. This is my favorite part of the house. Over here is where they have the whole built-in covered lanai. So you have tile on the floor. This is all built in with real windows, and all these doors open up. So you can be entertaining and have all these doors open, and people can be just walking in and out. And then here, they've added the sunsetter canopy, so you can hang out back here and have a canopy if you wish. It's retractable, so it goes back in. But the nice part about this lot is that you have no rear neighbors. It's literally peace and quiet. You'll see squirrels, you'll hear birds, and it's so peaceful out here. And this is all patio. And then you have this special little area tucked into the side where you can just lay here and take a nap and relax. It's all covered. They also have the rain barrels. They have a lot of sweet upgrades to the home. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Again, my name is Darlene at Remax Titanium, and I'd love to hear from you. I'm at 352-396-0734. Thank you and have an amazing day.